Welcome to this in-depth tutorial on exploring context-based state management in React, using custom hooks for scalable component trees. If you're a React developer, you know the importance of efficient state management as your applications grow in complexity. Today, we'll explore how the React Context API and custom hooks can revolutionize the way you manage state in large applications. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to avoid the dreaded prop drilling and make your code cleaner and more maintainable. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more high-quality tutorials that keep you updated with the latest in web development. Let's start with the React Context API. Imagine it as a global state available to any component, like a public library where anyone can borrow a book without everyone having to own a copy. This approach eliminates the hassle of passing props through multiple layers. Now combine this with custom hooks, which are like your personal toolkit for handling reusable logic. Think of custom hooks as a Swiss Army knife, streamlining your code and promoting reusability. Together, these tools allow for efficient state management across scalable component trees, ensuring your application remains performant and easy to maintain. To see context-based state management in action, let's explore a practical example. In our React app, we have a theme context and a language context, both managed with custom hooks. We'll use these to easily handle theming and localization throughout the app. The theme context.js file defines a context for managing light and dark themes. Here's a look at the code used to set up this context and its provider. Let's walk through a demonstration of our application in action. Upon loading, you'll see a header displaying context and hooks example, with buttons to toggle the theme and switch languages. Initially, the app displays a light theme and English language. Clicking the toggle theme button changes the theme from light to dark, providing immediate visual feedback. Similarly, switching the language button updates the text to Spanish, showcasing how context allows seamless state transitions across components without prop drilling. In conclusion, using context-based state management with custom hooks in React can significantly enhance the scalability and maintainability of your applications. By minimizing prop drilling and centralizing state logic, you can build more robust and efficient applications. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll stay ahead of the curve with practical examples and real-world applications of advanced programming concepts. Until next time, happy coding.